going on, everybody? Today we are going to unbox a new flashlight from Lumintop. It is the EDC AA. So let's take a look at it and see what we got. Alright, so here we have the packaging. Raw Nichia EDC AA. Okay. Your user manual, if you care to read that. And there's the flashlight. We have a lanyard. We have a little, whatever you want to call that thing, like a lamp. I guess that's what it is. And we have the pocket clip. Alright, very cool. Get rid of all that. Don't need none of that. Okay, nice and shiny. Yeah, got some grip there on that kind of frag pattern. Very cool. Which way do we take this thing off here? Guess we're gonna find out the hard way, probably. Something tells me that that's probably the hard way. Okay, alright, there's no battery. Imagine that. Okay. Move into the big boy here. Grab a battery. Oops, that's a. Okay, let's see. That's a flat top. I'm not sure if. Let's see if a flat top works. Why not, right? Burn up a brand new flashlight. What the heck? Shit. Automatically turned on, so I guess that flat top will work. Yeah. Might screw in a little bit more than she should, but okay, so you got a half on the button and then a full to hold it. So have to stroll through your settings. When you get where you want, just leave it on. Very cool. Then you can pick and choose where you want your pocket clip, whether you want it. That's typically where I would put it. For me, I do like the double pocket clips, so in case I'm wearing a hat and want to put it on a hat, that works. So very good. So not really going to tail stand it, but obviously, but then we got the little booty here, which I guess kind of acts like a lamp. Gives you some good overall lighting, I guess. Probably be a little bit of a pain in the butt too, and that glows in the dark. That's kind of cool. Be a little bit of a odd thing to carry in your pocket unless you left it on the flashlight. But yeah, that's kind of odd. I'm not too sure that I would use this either, but it comes with pretty much every flashlight these days. But very cool. It's got a nice overall platform. Yeah, a little bit of grippiness there on the frag pattern. I do believe you can get this in a stonewash finish. I don't usually typically go with too much of the stonewash. I figure it'll get beat up enough where it'll look like it's stonewashed after a while, but other than that, so I try to mix it up anyway, get stonewash here and there, and then full satin from time to time. So this is just an unboxing, so we will carry it and check it out and see how I like it and dislike it, and I'll probably actually probably take that battery out now as I think about it, because I don't believe you're supposed to use a flat top. So, and I did put a flat top in there. So, and I do believe that these will run on regular alkaline batteries, which we just so happen to have one handy. So, you're not gonna get the power that you will get with a regular battery. But yeah, I can already tell that, especially on that low mode, it's considerably lighter powered. So, but either way, I do like when a AA or a AAA flashlight can run on a standard alkaline battery, just because if you run out of juice in your high-powered battery, it's good to be able to just grab a cheapo Amazon Basics AA battery and still be able to rock and roll and not have to, you know, fiddle around. So until you can get back home and actually charge your regular high-powered battery. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. You probably didn't learn much from it, but either way, we will learn something from it and get back to you. Have a great day, guys.